Do you have a tight hip flexor? Well, the rectus femoris, one of your quad muscles, actually is a hip flexor and it extends the knee. So stretch it and massage it. Work on it. There's two other hip flexor muscles, big ones, psoas and the iliacus. Those are also great you can go after. But for the rectus, first, get into a kneeling position, tuck the pelvis under, squeeze the glute. You have to smack your ass, and then shift your pelvis forward a little bit. You should start to feel a nice stretch. You can press forward a little bit more as long as you work on keep tucking under, squeeze ass hard. Big stretch. Now follow it up with a nice little massage. You guys probably know how to do a quad massage. All the way to the top of the hip, down to the knee. Wow, look at that. You can even stop at one point, just breathe. You can rock your leg from side to side. You can flex and extend the leg. Just play around, loosen it up a little bit, get a little bit of relief, and then follow it up with strengthening your hip flexor. You should be able to do stuff like this.